This 2019 Forest River Berkshire XL 40BH is a Class A RV. It is located in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, 17022 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 103 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment. This 2019 Forest River Berkshire XL 40BH is built on a Freightliner XCR Raised Rail chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.